Good day everyone, my name is Michelle Chavez and now our topic for today is all about types of impact. Types of impact may be categorized in many ways. First, the actual objective impact or perceived subjective impact. Second is qualitative impact or quantitative impact. Third is direct impact or indirect impact. Fourth is accumulative impact or immediate impact. 5 is tourism-induced impact. We have reversible and irreversible impact. Actual objective impact of tourism are backed up by hard data, most economic impacts such as the increasing of population, number of jobs, amount of investment, and amount of tourism received, generated by tourism are objective in nature, are qualitatively measured. Under actual and objective impact, we have accurate data. Example of this is the population data. Second is basis actual data. Example of this is the number of jobs. Third is possible data. Example of this is amount of investment. The second one is the data is the example of number of tourist arrivals. Perceived subjective impact of tourism refers to the opinion of somebody concerning the effects of tourism. How people perceive tourism impact will be influenced by social status, well-view, educated, entertainment, culture, whether they work directly or indirectly in their tourism, and some other variables. For example, several studies show that people who work directly in tourism tend to view tourism in more positive light, while the rest of the community might focus on negative effects of tourism on their environment or culture. Quantitative impact are the impact which can be measured and expressed the numerical forms. For example, quantitative impacts are the amount of taxes collected in tourism businesses, the number of people employed by tourism, and the length road contrast the part of the program to be make a place accessible to tourists. Qualitative impact are the impact that can be observed or described. Example of this would be effects of tourism on social relationship and the effects of tourism experience on individual self-esteem. An impact may be described in both qualitative and quantitative forms. For example, employment from tourism can be described in qualitative terms, such as the number of jobs generated and its share of total employment. Job can be also described as qualitative, such as whether they are permanent, contractual, or seasonal, or whether it is a decent job, and defined by International Labor Organization in terms of wage, safety, ability to organize, access to training, or other indicators. Direct impact. A direct tourism impact is one of the immediate inflows from tourism or receiver of impact without intervening person, agency, or industries. Example of this is the server. It is directly served to the guests. Indirect impact. Indirect impact is the form of business owner down to the person or agency that is responsible down to the tourist or residents. It have a channel to communicate with the guests. Accumulative impact. Tourism impact may be also seen in terms of temporal dimension. Accumulative impact is one of the caused by tourism development over time. Example of this is water pollution and the coastal area. Influence discharged by tourism establishment to the sea. Immediate impact. An immediate impact is the impact that caused by single event and could happen in short period of time. Tourism-induced impact may be a reversible impact or irreversible impact. A reversible impact is one which can be corrected immediately or over a short period of time. For example, cross left by festival attendees can be collected and disposed of its matter in hours or days. Irreversible. Irreversible impact is one of the required long period of time to recover. A very good example is the effects of diverse on coral reefs. When a mountain is planned to provide space of an airport or theme park or its soil to fill in a land reclamation project for the tourist complex. Tourism impact may be also classified according to the source. According to Hall and Law 2009, the tourism impact comes from the point source or non-point source. A point source is special tourism-related facilities, object, or project. This could be airport, hotel, attraction, or event. Point source of impact are the site-specific, tangible, and have the clear finite lifespan. Non-point source is a mobile, intangible, and it has definite lifespan.